Alright guys, I'm back. I said I was doing a video of the sofa deep cleaning. That's the sofa. I took the cushion covers off and I put the cushions in the garbage bag so they won't get messed up or dirty or anything. Now, right, take one of these. I like the Fur Daddy better than this one. Clean all this before you start. See, that's paint. We have to take all that out. Make sure you take all the lint out. Go on the sides, back and forth, right? And then press to see if you have any lint. Okay, there's lint that came out. That's from the material. All right. So after that's done, then you keep on cleaning it. And you keep on cleaning it. All right, now that's done. You can take a vacuum and vacuum it also if you don't have one of these. Then you go in with your solution. This is the one that I made. My warm water. Warm, hot water, depends. This lovely sponge that works like a charm. This is the brand. I put it in the water. I use vinegar to clean the sofa. Then, hold on one second. I take my rags. I always use a white rag for the fact is because it's a red sofa. And then you take the vinegar. When you take the vinegar, you just clean it all the way down. Right? So, let's just go with the vinegar. Just going to put a little bit. I'm going to tilt it over. Okay. Now I wet it. Close it. Now go here. And just clean the whole entire thing. See? Right here. The little stains and everything like that. See? How the vinegar takes it off. So, once I do the whole sofa with the vinegar going all the way down, bear with me, I'm outside. The best place to do this is in your garage or outside on a car porch. So, I got to take all this paint off. And then once you do that, you see how the dirt comes off with the vinegar? So I wipe the whole thing down. Once I wipe the whole thing down with the vinegar, right, on the sofa, then I come back with this. And then I start putting it on right here. Worked it in. Think about if you're making a cake or putting frosting on a cake. I'm a baker, so that's why I said that. All right, you put all that there, right? Then you go back. With this. Still has water in it. I let it sit. But you just start going scrubby, 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 scrubby. All this. I'm just letting that sit there so you guys can see when the stain or dirt comes off. I just want to go like this so I can show you. You use the sponge like that all the way around the sofa. But you do this on the hottest day so your sofa will dry. And then you start seeing the difference of the color of it getting clean. See where the paint is? I got to go in back and forth until that paint comes off. Hold on, let me see. Yep, the paint's coming off. See? But this is your best friend. The person that created this, I mean, I give him not 5 stars. I give him 10 stars. Like I said, I'm outside. So, not 5 stars. This is a 10-star product. None of my videos are sponsored or anything. This is my opinion that I'm showing you that I bought the product. Well, my dad bought the product. And I'm cleaning the sofa with it and showing you what else you can do with it. Look at the paint coming off with this. Look. Tell me that it's not wonderful. You're seeing the paint, right? Watch. You know we get paint on everything. Look how the paint is coming off. That's why I wanted to make this video to show you guys. Look at this. Look at the paint. It's coming right off with this. Look, paint is coming right off. So I'll be back later to show you how the sofa came out. But this is how you clean it. And I'll do another video showing you exactly how she came out. I just want to show you all the angles and everything. I'm going to walk around to show you. You guys can do this to any of your fabric sofas. But always put your cushions in a bag so they won't get dirty when you take off the covers. So let's go back in there with that. Let's just say you guys seen it. So rub, scrub, circles, back and forth, however you guys want. And you start seeing the stain or dirt or whatever you guys have. Because remember, kids spill stuff. And then, you know, people drink wine and have parties and, you know, situations. You know, things do get dirty. So, keep on scrubbing. It's not scratching your sofa or anything like that. So, I go back in. Go with the sponge. It has water. Just squeeze it a little because I need a little water. And then scrub. Scrub, 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 and scrub. And then I'm going to go back in with the white to show you how it came out. Look at that. So tell me that that is not an excellent product for us to clean anything in the household. Look at this. Look at that. And you see it on the rag. Just right here. I'm just going to show you the part right there. And remember, it's clean, right? So I'm going to show you. Just putting my finger right here. And look at this. Tell me that it's not a great product. And look. Stain free. Look at that. This is your best friend. You could clean your pots with it. You could clean so many other things. I'm going to be doing other videos of what I do with this product. Alright, I'll see everyone later. And thank you for watching my channel on TikTok. Thank you for watching my YouTube. And thank you for subscribing to both my channels. I greatly appreciate it.